Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Wix for online dropshipping easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Wix website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts. Once you're logged in, click on the Create New Site button. You'll be prompted to choose the type of website you want to create. Select Online Store to set up your dropshipping site. Wix will then ask you a series of questions about your business. Answer these questions to help Wix tailor your site to your needs. After this, you'll be presented with a variety of template options. Choose a template that suits your dropshipping niche and click Edit. Once in the editor, familiarize yourself with the layout and tools available. Start by customizing the home page with your branding. Add your business name and logo to the top of the page. Next, navigate to the Store section in the left sidebar. Here, you can manage your products and add your dropshipping items. Click Add New Product to list a new item. Fill in the product details, including name, description, and price. Now, upload high-quality images of your products. Ensure that the images are clear and showcase the products effectively. Once your products are listed, it's time to set up your payment methods. Go to Settings in the left sidebar and select Accept Payments. Choose the payment providers you want to offer, like PayPal or credit cards. Follow the prompts to connect your accounts. Next, set up your shipping options by visiting the shipping settings. Decide on your shipping rates and methods for your customers. You can choose flat rates, free shipping, or real-time carrier rates. Make sure to save all changes after configuring each section. Now, link your dropshipping supplier to Wix. Use an app like Spocket or Modelist from the Wix App Market. Follow the specific app's instructions to import products into your store. Integrate the supplier so that inventory updates automatically. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.